how to use Asos gift card. Now, if you wish to use the Asos gift card, it is very simple to do so. First of all, you launch the Asos application and just make sure that you're signed into your account. After you've done that, tap on the three lines option located at the top left corner, and from here you can simply go to the option that says My Account. Once you come to My Account, over here you will find an option that says Gift Cards and Vouchers, and just make sure to tap on it. When you tap on Gift Cards and Vouchers, here you can tap on Add Gift Card / Voucher option, and when you've done that, tap on the gift card option again. Here, simply enter the 16-digit code of your gift card, and then on the all other option, just enter the 4-digit PIN, which will both be on your gift card. Then tap on the Add Gift Card option. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully applied during your next order on Asos. This way you will be able to use your Asos gift card. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.